If suddenly the alarm has stopped ringing when your phone is on mute or vibration mode, then what you do is go ahead and open the clock application. So suppose if I enable this alarm at 4:45 a.m. in the morning, and if it does not ring, then what you do is tap on these three dotted icons here, go to settings. If you see there is an option vibrate for alarms and timers. So alarms and timer will vibrate if your phone is set to mute or vibration mode. So what you do is you have two options. So what you need to do is you need to disable this option, or else if you want to enable this option, then what you have to do is you have to open the notification center, control center, and make sure that your phone is in this sound mode. If you have enabled the vibration mode, or if it is in mute mode, then the alarm will not ring. So you have to put it in sound mode